BCH, we start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal, especially when we get this sharp move. We mentioned if we get any buy setup, we can look for buy, and this is what we get. There was a few opportunity to look for buy, as we can see, but we didn't have an update. The only last update was when the move price was here. We mentioned we're looking for the reversal, and we point on this top. Okay, now we'll get the few opportunity for trade, and now we want to see whether this is the we can look for one more trade. Okay, first of all, we start with higher time frame. We start with the daily chart. All right, as you can see, if we refer to the daily chart, almost price dropped to previous tag and previous low, but couldn't break because we had this two big shadow here. All right, now we want to see whether this is the start of the up move, or still we can expect this correction to become more complex before we get the next move. Okay, by the way, we want to see whether there is a continuation and the price can retest this top or not. In this case, we move to forward chart. All right, as we can see, based on forward chart, what we were expected to get, the reversal we get, and now the only thing is how high this one can go. As we can see, we have the price start to correct almost before it couldn't break the previous top. Now we need to be quite careful if we want to look for trade, because we want the price to break 539540, following by 552. Then from there we can expect the price can retest this top. This is if you want to look for trade within this range. We should need to be quite careful. If we get any trade, we consider as a uh, short-term trade if this is moving as a corrective. That's mean as long as we get into the profit, we start to manage. But if we get a sharp move, the price could break the previous top, then it's good for us. All right, the only thing is whoever get the trade within this move, either from here or here, they at least move their stop loss to break even if they want to look for, I mean, keep for long term. Because if we move to 1 hour chart, as we can see, if we put all this stuff in relative to each other, we can see that we have a divergence. Okay, and as well here, the possibility of the reversal is very less, but mostly we can expect big correction. By the way, right now we're looking at this. If we get any buy setup, we can look for, and as I mentioned, we want the price to break the previous top, which is 540, following by 552. Okay, by the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.